Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Direct Sound EX-29 headphones. These headphones have a solid reputation as being pretty much the envy of every drummer or musician out there. These headphones are dynamic, closed back, and over ear, and they provide an excellent level of passive isolation, which we'll get to in a bit. This is a pretty nondescript box. There's not really any features or anything listed. The box feels like it weighs about a pound or so. Not too bad considering that this includes the weight of the cable. Note that the rated impedance of these headphones is 32 ohms, so these headphones are going to work well and be loud enough with any device. This will work great even if you're driving them from a phone. Let's open the box and take a look. Okay, looks pretty straightforward. We have the headphones and a separate cable. Oh, and also we have the gold-plated 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch adapter. We can see the Direct Sound logo on the outsides of the ear cups. The ear cushions are very nice, and I can definitely tell that to the touch they feel like they are very heavily padded. Actually, in fact, these cushions are what enables the set to have 29 dB of passive isolation. And they do this without needing to recharge or insert any batteries as you would need to do for headphones featuring active noise cancellation. On the top of the set, we have the standard retractable headband. Feels solid, and there's a little bit of padding that feels like it would lend to wearing these headphones for long listening sessions. Additionally, these headphones are collapsible, so you can easily take them with you wherever you go. In terms of construction, these headphones definitely feel pretty indestructible. They have a pretty simple design, and it looks to me like it can handle pretty much whatever you're needing to do with it. Looks like Direct Sound has decided to connect wires to each ear cup, and then within just about a foot, they just quickly terminate the connection. And they've included a pretty thick 10-foot cable extension here. Anyway, there you have it. This is the ultimate musician's headphone. You can have multiple people playing different instruments in the same room and be able to isolate yourselves from each other. For that reason, we give this pair of headphones a big thumbs up. Check the description below for the full review of these headphones at rottenaudio.com. I hope you enjoyed this Direct Sound EX-29 unboxing video. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Thanks, and have a truly rotten day.